Take a ride in the 2014 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, CD player, fog lights, power locks, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, brake assist, tachometer, SIRIUS Satellite Radio, Uconnect hands-free group, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.